Let's read words and sentences having AY as A sound. Remember, the difficulty level will increase as we will move forward. D, A, day, day. B, A, bay, bay. L, A, lay, lay. P, A, pay, pay. A, ray, ray. A, say, say. Way, way. A, hey, hey. Play, play. Stay, stay. Clay, clay. Gray, gray. Tray, tray. Pray, pray. Slay, slay. Sway, sway. Stray, stray. Staying, staying. Holiday, holiday. Array, array, array. Display, display, display. Crayfish, crayfish. Weekday, weekday, weekday. Subway, subway, subway. Runway, runway. Haystack, haystack. Hooray, hooray. Lair, lair. Let's read some sentences. The boat sails into the bay. I play outside all day long. She knows the way to the park. Can you say the numbers with me? Mom put the hay in the garden for the rabbit. I will pay for my snack at the store. I will stay at home and play with my toys. The tree will sway in the wind. We say a prayer before we eat dinner. I use a tray to carry my lunch. I made a pot from clay. We go to school on a weekday. We saw a crayfish in the pond. Sunday is the last day of the week. I see a display of colorful balloons. The subway is like an underground train. Everyone yelled hooray for the party. If you are looking for fun and interactive online phonics classes, then your search is over. Our quality is top notch, the batch size is limited, and all these things are provided under very nominal fees. 3 new batches for the age group 5 to 8 years are starting from 2nd of October 2024. Kindly drop an email at mummytuberindia@gmail.com for further details. We also conduct teacher training program or workshop for parents. So if you want to become a certified teacher, then do contact us at mummytuberindia@gmail.com. Thank you.